Hello, I am Praveen Kumar. My branch is Mechanical Engineering. My topic is applications of geometrical model of bounded region of curves by double integral. Double integrals for rectangles. Recall the definition of definite integrals of functions of a single variable. Suppose f of x is defined on interval closed a comma b, taking a participation p of closed into a comma b into subintervals a equal to x naught is greater than x1 is greater than x so on x n minus 1 is greater than xn equal to b. Choose the points in closed interval x I minus 1 comma x and let delta xi equal to xi minus xi minus 1. Using the areas of the small rectangles to approximate the areas of the curve is decided echelons, and summing them we have summation I equal to 1 f of xi delta xi mod of p equal to maximum delta xi. Second, integration a to b f of x dx is equal to limit p tends to 0 summation n I equal to 1 f of xi delta x1. Definition: the double integral of f over the rectangle R is defined. Double integration f of x comma y dA equal to limit of p summation I equal to 1 summation n I equal to 1 f of x y y y delta ay if this limit exists. Interpretation of double integrals. Here the diagram has given the properties of double integrals. Double integration closed interval f of x comma y plus g of x comma y dA equal to double integration of f of x comma y dA plus double integration g of x comma y dA. Cf x comma y dA equal to c of double integration f of x comma y dA. If f of x comma y is greater than g of x comma y for all x comma y belongs to R, then r f of x comma y dA is greater than double integration g of x comma y dA. Yeah, Fibonacci theorem: if f is continuous on rectangle capital R, x comma y a is greater than x greater than b, c is greater than y is greater than d, then double integration f of x comma y dA equal to integration a to b integration c to d f of x comma y dy dx equal to integration c to d a to b f of x comma y dx dy. More generally, this is true if we assume that f is bounded on R. F is discontinuous only a finite number of smooth curves and the iterated integral exists. Interpret the double integration of f of x comma d as the volume of the solid, where v is equal to integration a to b a to x dx, a of x equal to integration c to d f of x comma y dy. A of x is the area of cross section of S in the plane through x perpendicular to the axis. Solution: if we first integrate with respect to x, we get double integration of y sin of x comma xy dA is equal to integration 0 to pi integration 1 to 2 y sin of xy dx dy integration 0 to pi closed interval minus cos of x y x equal to 1 x is equal to dy, and whereas minus 1 by 2 sin 2y plus sin y 0 to pi for double integral over general regions. To integrate over general regions like which is bounded being enclosed in a rectangular region, or then we define a new function f with domain of by f of x comma y if x comma y belongs to D, 0 if x comma y if is in R but not in D. Type 1 region and this is type 2 regions. D equal to x comma y, a is greater than x is greater than b, where g of x is greater than y greater than g of x. D equal to x comma y, a is greater than x is greater than b, g of x is greater than y is greater than g. Then double integration d f of x comma y dA equal to integration a to b integration g1 to g2 of x, f of x comma y dy by dx. Double integration f of x comma y dA integration c to d ba b1 h1 of y h2 of y f of x comma y dy, where d is type 2 region given by equation 4. This is the example of the, it is type 1 region, and example 5, evaluate the iterated integrals 0 to 1 0 to minus 1 sin y square dy by dx. It is d as a type 1, d as a type 2. If we try to evaluate the integrals as shown, we are faced with the task of first evaluating integration sin y square dy, but it is impossible to do so in infinite terms. So integration sin of y square dy is not an elementary function. So we must change the order of integral. This is accomplished by first expressing the given iterated integral as a double integral. Integration 0 to 1 integration 0 to minus 1 sin of y square dy dx is equal to double integration d sin y square dA, where d equal to x comma y 0 is greater than x is greater than 1, x is greater than y is greater than 1. Using the alternative description of d, we have d equal to x comma y 0 is greater than y is greater than 1, 0 is greater than x, x is greater than y. This enables us to evaluate integral in the reverse order. Integration 0 to minus 1 integration 1 to minus 1 sin of y square dy by dx is equal to double integration d sin y square dA, whereas 0 to 1 integration 0 to 1 integration 0 to y sin y square dx dy, y sin, by doing this we will get minus 1 by 2 of 1 minus cos 1. Properties, these are the properties of double integrals. 6 double integral f of x comma y plus g of x comma y dA equal double integration d f of x comma y dA plus double integration g of x comma y dA. Double integration d c f x comma y dA is equal to c d f of x comma y dA. Double integration f of x comma y dA is greater than g of x comma y dA if f of x comma y g of x comma y for all x comma y in D. If d equal to d union d, d1 union d2, where d1 and d2 do not overlap except perhaps on the boundaries like the following. This is the area, the double integration d 1 dA a d, the area of region D. If m is greater than f of x comma y, m for all x comma y belongs to D, then ma of d double integration d f of x comma y dA greater than ma d. Thank you.